Hello, it's Creator of Redundancy back again, the one known as CR, with the $50 US, $68 Canadian food challenge. Now, this challenge was issued by Gil over at Grayman Prepping. That's with an A, by the way. So, for $50 US, $68 Canadian, is it possible to have enough food and sustain yourself for, let's say, 30 days? For example. And now I'm going to be factoring things like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, the macronutrients, and of course the caloric intake. So it's about 45,000 to 60,000 calories for one person for that 30-day time period. Here's 1 kilogram of oatmeal for $2.77 generic brand, based on 40 grams per serving, equals to about 25 servings, and that's about 3,750 calories. This is pasta from the dollar store. It's about 1,550 calories per bag. It's about 5 servings per bag times 17 bags. Here's some butter here for $5.98, and for the whole thing, it's about 3,178 calories. Here is some pinto beans times 3 bags. It's $3.47, and it's about 8,072 calories in total. Tuna for 97 cents each times 30 for a total of $29.10 in total. It equals to 3,600 calories. Now this totals 44,950 calories for $65.26. Now I would supplement and encourage food supplies like gardening or foraging to diversify and vary and spice up the food. Try to vary the color, the texture, and taste to keep it fresh. And I just got enough left over to get this instant coffee for every second day for $2.47. Yes!
As our world changes, we can adapt too. Skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone, but one can help someone.